we're going to do a room tour.
Yes.
So we are at the Hotel Okura, Manila. It's called it's called Pasay, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, Pasay, Manila. So as you can see around it, this room smells of opulence. And look at this. You can swing this television
Okay.
to the other side.
Can you show me?
Want to view it while lying down in your bed, then you can have a see now that's your view of the television.
Oh, so this is a king bed.
And then we have a king size bed. And we're gonna test the big drop.
Is it comfortable? Is it comfortable?
It's very firm.
Wow.
It's firm enough, yeah. So it won't give you a backache.
Okay. And this is big. I think this is around 54 square meters.
58.
This is
58
big for a
square
hotel.
meters. Actually, is this as big as our room? What do you think?
I think this is bigger.
Bigger, right? Bigger.
Actually, I like the design of this room. Talagang comfortable ang feel niya. And then you have here a painting. A landscape painting. Let's go back to the toilet so you can see.
Daddy, look at this. Okay, point it to the window. That was actually closed a while ago. And then automatically, when I just pulled the curtain, automatically opened.
Can you? Is it possible to
close it again? I don't know how to do it though. But I believe that everything is digitally controlled here.
Yes.
And look at the French door.
Ang ganda ng CR. Let me look at the shower area. It's big.
Marble galore. And what about the WC?
Yeah.
Open sesame.
Yes, automatic.
Typical Japanese WC toilet.
I think we made the right decision of picking this one instead of the Hinoki room, which is more expensive. This one is a little cheaper, but I think this is better.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the big mirror.